The Psychology of Money is an excellent resource for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. Here are some additional thoughts to consider. Housel emphasizes the importance of avoiding financial mistakes rather than trying to outperform the market. He argues that the compounding effects of avoiding major losses can be more significant in the long run than trying to chase high returns. One of the most interesting concepts in the book is the idea of getting rich vs. staying rich. Housel notes that many people who become wealthy do so by taking significant risks or relying on luck, but they often struggle to maintain their wealth over the long term. In contrast, those who focus on building sustainable wealth through consistent, disciplined habits are more likely to enjoy financial security over the course of their lives. Housel also stresses the importance of understanding the role that luck plays in financial success. While it's tempting to attribute our financial outcomes solely to our own skill and hard work, the reality is that luck often plays a significant role in our financial outcomes. Recognizing this can help us avoid overconfidence and make more rational decisions. Another key theme in the book is the importance of living within our means and avoiding the temptation to keep up with others. Housel notes that many people fall into the trap of trying to project an image of success or wealth, which can lead to overspending and financial stress. Instead, he encourages readers to focus on their own goals and priorities and to be content with a lifestyle that is sustainable and fulfilling. Finally, the book offers some useful strategies for managing our emotions and avoiding common financial pitfalls. For example, Housel suggests setting clear financial goals and developing a plan to achieve them, avoiding impulsive decisions, and seeking out trusted sources of advice and support. By cultivating a calm and rational mindset, we can make better financial decisions and achieve greater long-term success.